Welcome, traders. Let's jump into a quick review of our trading from last week, ending on Friday, 9/15. So we had a good week overall. Ended up with $4,580 in P&L realized for the week. Monday, $1,140. Nothing on Tuesday. We did close $1,960 worth of gains on Wednesday. 355 more on Thursday, and 1125 on Friday. So again, good week. 45.80 to the good side. Overall, we had a pretty good week if you look at the net lick as well. So we started the week about 29.9. So $299,000 account, and we ended the week at about a $304,000, $881 account. So we were able to gain close to $5,000, which is almost really our net for the week. So good week overall, taking $4,500 out of the market, which is a fantastic week. And from a percentage gaining standpoint, if you take that 45.80 and we started the week at 299.041, puts us at about 1.5% for the week. So not too bad on that particular week. Previous week was a little lower. We did not close out a whole lot of trades. And then the week before that, $8,545 week. So overall, we're still averaging pretty close to $4,000 on a week the last several weeks. We can go back a little bit further. We had about a $1,400 week before that, 15, 27, 3,000, 9,000. So we're moving along pretty well. Let's dive into what we closed for the week last week. And let's start with the first trades on 9/11. So on 9/11, we closed a gold strangle. We had opened that strangle on August 28th. It came off at a 50% winner on the 11th for $1,140 on that particular trade. So good trade on 9/11. Then when we take a look at nothing on the 12th, nothing closed at all. Then on the 13th, we had a bunch of trades come off, of which the majority of these, 3 of these, were just 0 DTE trades that we got into. We did actually 2 put butterflies. One was kind of a directional put butterfly. We paid $1, took $1.65 in credit when we closed it for $195 winner on that one. The second trade was more of an at-the-money wide fly. This one we opened for a $10.10 debit, closed it for a $16.60 credit, made $650 on that trade. And then we also put a 0 DTE put spread on as well. So we did the 44.45, 44.25 again on the 13th. Put that on for a 55-cent credit, took it off for a 30-cent credit, almost 50% winner, which is what we put in for a profit target. Net closed itself, $125. We didn't put a lot of contracts on any of these. We were just trying to make a little bit of money as the day gave us some good opportunities to move up and down. But we also closed a oil strangle. So we opened this strangle in the CL or oil futures on August 10th. We put on the 63.105 strangle for 77 cents. And it closed itself 34 days later for 50% winner, which was $1,140, which was a great 15, almost 16% return on the capital used in that particular trade. So overall, really great day here on the 13th. So the 11th, $1,140. And then on the 13th, as we talked about here, $1,960. And then we'll jump into the trades from the 14th. Only 2 trades here on the 14th, both 0 DTE. We did put an iron condor on that day, expecting the markets to not move a whole lot, and they did not. So we were able to take that off at about a 50% winner, $240 on that. And then we also put an iron fly on. So it's a little bit wider, about a 20 wide iron fly. We put this one on a little later. We took in 610 and closed it for $495 at the end of the day. So we were We actually would have pinned at 45.05, but I actually took it off early for just $115 winner. Had I left it on, we actually pinned the close at 45.05. This was a very late day trade I put on, and I just couldn't watch it long enough to let it win out. But it still won, but we could have won a whole lot more. Then on the 15th, which was Friday, we closed another strangle. This time was in ES futures. We put this one on August 28th. It was an ES futures strangle, 37.75, 4,900. We put that on for $22.75. Took it off again for 50% winner at 11.50. Took us 18 days in this trade, made $1,125, and that was a 16.5% return on capital. So both of the, all three of the strangles, one was a 14-day strangle, one was a 34-day strangle, and one was an 18-day strangle. So overall, they're coming off pretty quickly this month. And then we had two trades we closed. We don't really count these. These were the remaining PDS parts of long-term 112 trade and a standard 112 trade on oil. They expired worthless, but we had already closed here. We'd already closed the naked puts for 80 cents on the long-term 112, and we'd already closed the naked puts on the oil strangle for 2 cents back on 8/31. So this is just the put debit spreads coming off, but we had a nice winner that Friday. So good week last week, $4,580 on this particular trade, which was a 1.53% return on the week. So great week so far, good month overall. We're up 41.81 on the month in realized gains, and we're up 6,323 on our net lick for the month. So overall, good month going so far. We're only halfway through, and we're getting close on the net lick to our 3%, but really we focus on the realized. So we're halfway to our goal for the month, halfway through the month. I think we're on in great shape. All right, I hope this was helpful for you. See what we're doing for the week. Mainly strangles coming off, some 0 DTE trades. Good week overall, and we'll see you guys back in the markets. This week we got FOMC coming up in the next week here. So we'll keep an eye on how that affects the markets, but really won't alter our trading plan much at all. We're going to continue with what's working and what's been working for us for a couple of years now. If you like this video, please click that like button. Go ahead and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can drop them in comments. I try to get to as many of those as I can. And if you want to see what we're doing in the Discord channel, pop on in here and see what we're doing. You'll get a lot of trades, a lot of trade ideas. You'll see all of our trades live that we're putting on. So I will be posting all trades live in here, so you can see every single trade in and out for me, for Gabe, for Igor, for Dennis. So all of our trades are posted live for you guys. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you guys around. Take care. Enjoy a great week of trading. Take care, everybody.